Hi, I'm Jennifer. Let's review the verb be. Listen and repeat. Am, is, are, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Do you know the verbs? Help me. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Good job. Let's make sentences. Look, this is a boy. This is a girl. These are children. These are friends. I am a teacher. You are a student. Natasha is my friend. Florida is beautiful. Let's make questions. Here's an example. Is this red? Yes, it is. Next. Is this blue? Yes, it is. Next. Is this green? Yes, it is. Next. Is this yellow? No, it is orange. Next. Is this purple? No, it is brown. Next. Is this black? Yes, it is. Let's review short forms, contractions. Listen and repeat. I am, I'm. You are, you're, or you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're, or were. They are, they're, or they're. Help me use contractions. Example, she is beautiful, she's beautiful. He is tall, he's tall. It is big, it's big. They are small. They're small. You are good. You're good. I am happy. I'm happy. We are friends. We're friends. They are friends. They're friends. Let's make negative forms with the word not. Listen and repeat. I am a doctor. No, I am not a doctor. I'm not a doctor. You are famous. No, you are not famous. You're not famous. You aren't famous. He is an actor. No, he is not an actor. He's not an actor. He isn't an actor. She is smart. No, she is not smart. She's not smart. She isn't smart. It is good. No, it is not good. It's not good. It isn't good. We are famous. No, we are not famous. We're not famous. We aren't famous. They are students. No, they are not students. No, they're not students. They aren't students. Let's say those negative contractions again. Repeat after me. Isn't. Aren't. There isn't any milk. There aren't any eggs. Let's read together. Read aloud. These are ducks. There are 3 ducks. They're brown. They're in the water. Is that a frog? Yes, it is. It's in the water. It's big. It's green. Those are fish. What color are they? They're orange. Who are they? They're doctors. Where are they? They're at a hospital. Are those students? No, they're not students. Those are actors. They're at a theater. Do you like to practice English? You're a good student. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy studies.